Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Tuesday March the 3rd 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright. I see here a lot of fives. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 5 should be here and there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 5 is here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 is here and there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. A 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 5 is here and there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only two places for the 5 is here and there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Wow. Incredible. Now the 3 I see here 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the row above. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 should be here and there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Then a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 is here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. I see there 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. Let me see. Blow my nose. I have a little cold. No corona, but let's continue. Can I see here a 4? 4, yes. In the middle column, one of the missing numbers in one of these 4 missing boxes is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remaining for the 4 should be this one. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see there are 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. I see there are 4. No 4 in this box, so the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 4 in one of these 2 boxes. In this row, the middle row, we have a 4 over there. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright, then in this row, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be here. Let me see. The 3, yes, the 3 in this column, the 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 is here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 3 is here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. I see there 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Alright. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. I see there an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 8 should be this one. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 is here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then which number can I use? Yes, in the last row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 1, and 6. I see here a 2, so no 2 there. I see here a 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Yes. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the F4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 is here. Then let's see here, the missing numbers in the first column, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 7. Need to wait. These two numbers of this big square, for the 7 and 9, we have a 9 there. So no 9 here. 9 should be there. And the 7 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here and there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Yeah, all the 9s are used. 2 numbers left. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Here also 6 and 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 here. 7 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 7 and 2. 7 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and 2. But I see here in this big square, one of the missing numbers in these 3 boxes is a 7. I see here 7. No 7 there. I see there 7. No 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. So we have had here 6 and 7, the missing numbers. No. 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Now we have a 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square. 1 and 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in the last row for the number 1. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. 1 missing number in this row for the number 6. Then 1 missing number in the first column for the number 6. Then 6 and 7. 1 missing number in this row, the middle row, for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers for this big square, for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 there. No 6 here. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the number 7 and 1, we have a 7 here. No 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers of this for this big square. For the number 7 and 4, we have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1 and 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 2, 1 missing number in this column for the number 4, 1 missing number in the last column for the number 1. So finish in 15 minutes. Alright, Sudoku Medium. Thumbs up if you like, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye, Sudoku friends.